Gone are the days when you had no choice but to manually cut wood. A circular saw does the job for you without exerting a lot of effort. These electric cutters are mostly used for deck building and sometimes even masonry and metal jobs, provided you have the right saw blade for them. What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best circular saws for beginners in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT circular saw with electric brake. Another good option for beginners is the DEWALT DWE575SB7-1 divided by 4-inch circular saw with an electric brake. What's an electric brake, you ask? Well, it's a helpful feature that instantly stops the blade from spinning excessively after turning off the motor. It does two things: protect your tool's mechanical parts from absolute wear and tear and reduce pauses between each cut for increased productivity. Its 15-amp motor has a no-load speed of 5,200 RPM with 1,950 watt max watts. Since it is only 8.8 pounds, this tool is lightweight and ideal for beginners who don't necessarily like to lug around a bulky tool. It has a 2.55 inches depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2 bevel stops of 22.5 and 45 degrees while having a bevel capacity of 57 degrees. I like that this model also has a dust blower to keep you focused on the job and not on the debris flying around. When you buy the tool, it comes with a default 7-1 divided by 4 inches carbide tipped blade, instructions, and a bag for transport. Things I like about this product: it has an electric brake, which stops the saw blade from excessively spinning. It reduces downtime and is also a safety measure not just for the operator, but also for the unit in the long run. This saw is also lightweight, a better choice for carrying around. Number 2. SKIL Single Beam Laser Guide. For a battery-operated unit, the SKIL PWR Core 20 Brushless 20V6-1 divided by 2-inch circular saw is a decent choice for beginners because of its fast charging. Thanks to the automatic PWR jump, charging the unit is as fast as 5 minutes. Aside from that, it has cooling material within its lithium battery to further conserve the remaining charge even during heavy load operations. And since it is part of the 20V series from SKIL, you can interchange its batteries with other similar tools. Blade swapping is also simple due to the spindle lock, while the unit has an LED work light for better accuracy, even in dimly lit garages and shops. To improve productivity, it has an electric brake that stops the blade so you can continuously cut with minimal pauses. With a bevel capacity of 50 degrees, it has a digital brushless motor that reduces vibration to lessen user fatigue. Although the size of the wheel is 6-1 divided by 2 inches, this is a normal diameter for most cordless circular saws anyway. Things I like about this product: charging the battery in only 5 minutes saves time and increases productivity. It has an electric brake that helps make repetitive cuts faster, and it also has an LED light for improved work visibility. Number 3. Makita 5007MG Magnesium. A mix of heavy-duty power and durability, the Makita 5007MG Magnesium 7-1 divided by 4-inch circular saw sports a large cutting capacity of 2-1 divided by 2 inches, which is typically bigger than most on the market. What I like most about this saw is the build. It has a magnesium shoe that keeps the tool safe and steady, even if you're not used to handling a circular saw. Oh, and did I mention that its powerful 15-amp motor has 5,800 RPM of speed? This means you will be able to complete your task in a shorter period of time. What's more, it has 2 LED lights that serve as your cutting guide, so you don't need to correct cutting mistakes. Disc change is easy due to the attached blade wrench, another time-saving feature. Your workspace will also accumulate less debris thanks to the included blower in the unit. This tool has a bevel capacity of 56 degrees with 45 degree and 22.5 degree positive stops. Although it is 10.6 pounds, this stable circular saw is built for the toughest job site tasks. It is backed by a 1-year warranty from Makita. For more information, read my full review of the Makita 5007MG circular saw. Also check my comparison of the different Makita 5007 series saws here. Number 4. BOSCH 15-amp circular saw. If you want easy blade swapping, try the BOSCH CS10 7-1 divided by 4-inch 15-amp circular saw with its onboard wrench, tool storage, and the spindle lock. The footplate or shoe of the circular saw is made with composite material for stability and durability. Moreover, the bevel and depth are both easily adjustable using levers. With its 15-amp motor, it has a 2-7 divided by 16 inches cutting capacity at 90 degrees. Moreover, this unit has a 56-degree bevel capacity plus positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. With a 24-tooth carbide blade, the tool weighs 10.2 pounds and has a blower for reducing workplace dust. The soft grip handle adds comfort, allowing you to manage work fatigue for long hours of operation. Because the handle is textured, even gloved hands will feel comfortable when operating the machine. Since it has an unobstructed view of the cut line, you will make a more precise cut. It even has bevel louvers that improve its dust management. For more information, read my full review of the BOSCH CS10 circular saw. Things I like about this product. It has a soft grip handle that makes it ergonomic and easy for beginners to hold. Switching the blades is also done quickly thanks to the onboard tool storage and spindle lock. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 20 VMAX POWERCONNECT. Yet another battery-operated unit in my list is the BLACK+DECKER BDCCS 20C5-1 divided by 2-inch cordless circular saw. This one has a smaller blade size and has fewer teeth, but is still made of carbide for easy and fast cutting. It allows you to adjust the bevel with 45-degree and 90-degree detents. Because it is compact, it is a worth-trying power tool for those who are still learning how to master a circular saw. And because it is part of the 20 VMAX system from the manufacturer, the battery is interchangeable between different BLACK+DECKER tools in your garage arsenal, reducing the need to purchase another battery. What makes a lithium-ion battery system better than other batteries is the no-memory effect. This means that the battery life will last longer even when the tool is in storage. The tool is backed by a 2-year limited warranty. Things I like about this product. The compact design makes it easier to take with you anywhere and store when not needed. Having a lithium-ion battery system helps lessen the need to charge often, and the battery can be interchanged with other 20 VMAX tools from BLACK+DECKER. Things to keep in mind before buying this product. The blade size, diameter is significantly smaller than others of the same kind. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem, comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.